One of the great features of the C2 is its portability. It comes apart in just a few easy steps for transport in any vehicle. To disassemble the unit, first you will disconnect the seat from the base by lifting the lever located underneath the seat. Grasp the arms and lift the seat straight up. Next, lift the basket off the base by grasping the handle and lifting up. Next, you will remove the battery and separate the front and back wheelbase. The lever to disconnect is indicated with a white line. Lift the lever and separate the front and rear drive base. To assemble the unit, reverse this process. Guide the front wheelbase towards the rear wheelbase and you will hear a click when connected successfully. Insert the battery and replace the basket by pushing it firmly onto the base until it snaps in place. Next, remove the cushion from the seat and use the view hole in the center of the seat to line up the post. Replace the cushion and push the lever down under the seat to lock in place.